How to create an account in chase.com. Hey everyone, it's me Shreya from Lemme Help. Let's dive into the video. First thing first, open your web browser and visit www.chase.com. And once on the homepage, look for the sign up button usually found at the left sidebar of your screen. After you tap on it, you will be navigated to enter your email address, create a password, and choose a username. Or simply sign in using your Google or Facebook account or Apple ID. Choose anything according to your preferences. If you choose to sign up only in the green highlights, then all you have to do is continue with the process according to your chess skill level. Now, provide your email address and create a secure password. Then choose a unique username for your chase.com account. And after you do so, choose your chessboard theme according to your preferences and continue with the process. And if you want to invite your friends, then you can simply tap on the invite or later. Tap on the no thank you if you don't want to use the premium version of the chase.com. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.